Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Kajinglong jingman ha kashnong batau but wapung school East Jante Hill sadin kajingjia sha penjulon ki kor electronic voting machine EVMS ha ka por badang yad kajing thap vote ha ka alhoi trek urimpang. Na kaliang district magistrate ka East Jante Hills ulapan tray kamperking mardon ya ka kendon shispa reply BNSS habaro kini ki artali gishnong. Min haka arfu artrek urimpang la pelong biang kajing thap vote haki artali gishnong wapung school but batau polling station. Menta kasngi kajing thap vote nadu kapor nyaw baje min stamp kelas dang bat kut hadu saw baje janmin haki saw tu ligi polling station. Ka wapung skor A bat wapung skor B hapo mau sniang rangan constituency bat batau A bat batau B ha batau la kadong constituency. Kramdan ke aka kaban pinsngosi ya babon balang. Kajing thap vote biang haki saw tu ligi jaka thap vote haki shnong wapung skor ka bahab ka musniang rangan constituency bat batau ka bahab ha batau la kadong constituency klalong ka bayat bayat renti haka arpu alterik rempang hapdeng ka jingpahara ka bajur jang ki bor pulit ha ka jingedon lang district magistrate bat ka ATM ka East Jante Hills district kani ka jing thap vote biang kala jalong namar ka jing sha thambor ki jaka them ha ki runar ki balapan pat pen prai ki kor EVM hado sautli kabala pelong ya katna DCA ban hukum ban pelong biang ya kajing thap vote kajing wan poi kinong thap vote hagini ki south li ki polling station kaba kentup iki shinrang bat kenthei kala kenjo prap saw pon 16% ha wapung skor kata kinong thap vote shinrang kilawan news pa prap saw na ka khnai spa way vote kat bagi kenthei ka vote kabala poi kalong pras pa khat lai na ka khandai spa nyo popra baro ka vote ka don 6000 plus pa khandai vote bar ki bathap kalong 6000 sans pa khandai nyo haba phai sha ka shnong batau ka jingwan ki dong thap vote kala long nyo phupra point khandai phupra person ki shinrang ki balawan thap vote ki don sans pa lai kuwe bat kanthei sans pa apusan baro ka vote ka bala thap kalong 6000 san phriu na ka 6000 lai spa lai ko nyo
Balik ni, benda. Oi.
Mana masak ni kamu liye nyul, sakran. Oh, lari.
Arpar musim rengat kumtu kumbat BI ba kam sem la iaid beit ar tingin namar ba kadon kan ke jimom iaid beit nah
Filap juga kata penolong kajing kenung kajing tut manen kesini.
dia kata kajing kalau tinggal lah buat betai namar kam station tak kajing tip pengayo ba kala don kajing ya penpai kan ke mesin itu gini tetang kata
PE bahkan ni kajing kenung ni piu kan dia pisau pun noi halau kan ni.
Emta kala don kabor senong kala don kabor ain ban pej ban penyaid beit tinggi sini angi hakti joki
Tapi filap mi thuk kan dia kai PE hakan ni ka council bamta jong GHDC
kajing jongi ya ka dis council kalong kala hiar setrai ngim kwa ba kan longkum ne ngim kwa ba kan longkum ne ngim kwa ban pengkeladur ya ka dis council Kuntu filai bagaji hera sudah borok kilian. Kita kata
Haduk entah nak kecik kelmah hujung pi iba kini council jua. Tu kalau dan em ba kajusna ya kian nam tak kejmit tembiang jong pai ba jong relum janja.
Em si bon ki ain ki bala don lupa ki balong ki ba biang ya upai ba. Te kadang don ki ain ki ba ni dang don kaman patemai ban review le ni ban snat mai ru kat kum ka jingalam jokapor. Tengin ding dala one stay ting sapit ka ba nginde.
Hakini ko sino pi yakun ase kunu pi siam hak jingya lenti bat kajing dai jong pi bat upai ba.
Kajinya lenti junga na mataban ka ya kan election ho ngali I ba kadon kajinya dai ka bajan ba na mar ba wa utrang ban yo kita ki noelam mo ki ba patemai ngala banong na mar ki ba bon hi kila ayu kila nya ki ba.
Dah tu pi pai kman em pi ya kajing toy nom ta ki kun jong ki jan pat jan tia pana hapdeng berkaki patang I babun ya ki patang sak kini no da ki wei pat kabaki jongi kimla belum teraisu.
Hakajing dai bat ban te lakam ya kan ka khai ka pateng hapo kan ka autonomous district council ka jongi bila don dia katu ka trading by non tribal art katu ka bat te lakam nata kidon ki ain mo ki ba la ban ya kentu kenrong ya kan ka khai ka pateng la ba ka jeu ka hat ka bapek ka district council dai kumbalo mata ka long lai lang ki
Nah kabata cupi kai bakam kardor ya pi kanong rim jong kaseng na kanong rim jong pai ba na.
Hakaju kapur ka sur jong ka parti ka de sur jong pai ba. Kai ka ba ngikum ka parti ngi yat so pai ba te nagabantahi ka jing bha jing ya jong pai ba.
Kai bi kam kenkor ya kasibut upai ba na ya kasinong rim jong parti.
Ka vote jong pai ba kalong ka ba koridor. Kanong rim jong ka parti ru kalong ka ba koridor. Ya ka ya upai ba hi ngi ka jing start ka jong. Kanong rim ka jong parti te kamut ka bangila biang himangi.
Anda pi job lasi nangani ko kon si ki pai ba kisah pelong mol nai pi. Anda itu mol nai bak kisah pelong kuno himpen kam hang no pin sut hang no pin snai ni mol nai.
Kata kajingli jong pi kajing dai bat kata ka ban muslim ya maulanai ki issues ki kam kita ki maulanai de ladanga poi lenga job dan bagi kam ki jonga kita kin pernah ku maulanai
Tak
ha ka wat hapdeng kan kajing ya le ka bakam ya juat mo hapdeng ki political party te nagan yang jonga ngakit bok yang ki pai ba ki la dep ya tho ya thep menin dengan ngit ba ki ai kajing kersan ya ka party yang ki miliki ha ka arpu southern tingin yoy kajing chok.
As of now, we are doing the repoll in 4 polling stations where incident happened yesterday related to the damage of EVM by some group of people who entered inside the polling station. So polling started today as per the order of District Council Affairs Department from 7 AM onwards. It has been peaceful till now. In all the polling stations, around 75 to 80% votes have been cast. And now we are left with 1 more hour of polling, so we are expecting and hoping that everything will be peaceful, and we have deployed full force here also since morning, so for any incident or anything we are ready to respond.
Okay, sir. So you just clarify that thing now regarding the deployment of force on action 2.
Yeah, so regarding the deployment of force on the election date on the 21st, so we had almost 150 battalion personnel in our district deployed. Along with that, in non-sensitive polling station, we have deployed home guard volunteers which are not sensitive in nature. And this is the same with all other districts. But however, wherever we expect trouble or vulnerability, then we have deployed armed guards, including we have deployed in Batav also, we have deployed in Wapong also, and many other areas we have deployed armed personnel. So, but there were some questions whether there were civil defense home guards only deployed. No, that is not the right fact. So, as per our law and order plan, we have deployed armed guards up to 2 and 3 in numbers in each polling station which are vulnerable, and this applies to 21st. And on repoll date, we have almost 5 times more force in each polling station. So we have deployed around 40 personnel in each polling station who are armed, along with our SOT teams also. This applies to all 4 polling stations, Batav A, Batav B, Wapong Skur A and Wapong Skur B, to that extent that the election will be conducted peacefully. Yeah.
As of now, what is the condition of law and order here?
As of now, there is no major incident related to law and order reported. So after we got the information of those incidents of EVM damage, the security in both the villages Batao and Vapuskur was beefed up, and also we have put curfew in the villages just to avoid any untoward incidents. And as of now, we have not received any complaint or any information regarding any breach of law and order. Going on right now, FIR has been registered on both the cases, but as of now, our first priority is to finish the repoll peacefully, and then police will continue the investigation and find out. Message and appeal to everyone is to maintain peace and calm. We are here to see that the whole election process happens in a neutral, free, and fair manner, and that is what I would like to assure all the voters, all the candidates, election agents, that we are following all the transparent protocols. Although the election commission is not involved in this, but we are trying to be as transparent as possible, following the ECI protocols that are followed usually during MLA elections or MP elections. So same thing, we are going to have briefing for all candidates and their agents for counting also tomorrow evening in our office, and we are also maintaining adequate arrangements for law and order. It's outside DC office premises where counting will happen. So from our side, we are all ready, and we hope that everything will end up peacefully.